Have you ever asked yourself if it is possible to remove rust from a Barbie dress? Is it possible or time consuming? Let me know in the comments below how you remove your stains. Fabric friendly from your clothes or your doll's clothes. I'm Barbie from Germany and welcome to my channel. Barbie collector for almost 25 years and being a Barbie dog for almost 10 years, this channel is more than just your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. And that's how it all started. I wanted this pack dress as a reference for sewing projects. I did a very similar one myself. I'm going to link you the project above, but I did not have the original and I searched until I found one. Even found the light yellow, very rare version of it, but it had rust in it. The question after observing and buying was how to remove it without leaving any stains in the fabric. Sure, I could have used lemon juice and salt paste like I did in another video, which I'm also going to link you above, but for this project I wanted to know if there is another way, and I found one. And the dress had several stains from age and I decided to use Boost first, but I was not sure if Boost would remove all the stains. The stains were gone after the treatment, but the rust was still there. What came into my mind was Dr. Beckmann Stain Devil, the one I also used in the ink stain remover from the ponytail swirl head. I'm going to link in this video also above, but this time I wanted to use the rust remover. But hey, I would like to give this stuff a try. The instruction said don't use longer than 60 minutes, don't let it dry out. My old lunchbox came into my mind because it's small and it has a cap, so keeping the liquid inside and the dress wet would not cause any problem. I put the dress in the box and let the liquid run over it, and then put the alarm clock on my smartphone to remind me that the 60 minutes were over. After 45 minutes I took a look into my box and the biggest part of the stains was gone, but I had my doubts that all of the stains would be gone within 1 hour. Since I did not want to put the dress in my washing machine, I used at first my fingernails and then a Barbie brush for making the stains completely disappear. You know, I wanna help all of you out there with the same problem. Don't throw your doll clothes away. Don't give them up. Don't produce waste when you don't have to by imagining a way to clean them. I must say I'm really impressed from this stuff. It works well, better than the lemon and salt paste I used before. You have at least the advantage that it can't dry out. That's a big advantage. What I've learned here is that you can use it for doll dress rescues. Just follow the rules of the manual and you won't have any discolorations. And I admit this was my biggest fear of all that I had, because the yellow one is really a rare version of this pack dress. And to answer my question from the beginning, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Is it time consuming? No, it's not really time consuming. Have a look on the result after the bath in Dr. Beckmann Stain Devil and 24 hours later in dried condition. The shoulder seam will be closed in another video if you want me to do it so. Let me know your stories about removing stains in doll dresses below. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my little video, you have learned something, you share, like and subscribe my video. See you in the next weeks. Your Barbie from Germany. Bye.